Let's render an animation in Blender 4.0. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe to pay the class fee. So I've created a simple cube here with a basic animation, a little bit of squash stretch to it, and I need to animate this. Jump over here to the side, start with your render properties. Make sure that you've got your render engine set. Currently I'm set at Eevee, which is the fastest, but I could go with Cycles. If you're going with Cycles and you have a good GPU, make sure you're using GPU compute. That's set. Now let's jump down here to our output properties. Make sure your resolution is set to the size that you want. And then as you scroll down, it'll select where your output file is going to be saved to. And then I'm going to want to output this as a MPEG video. If you're doing an animation, make sure you select these. Though a lot of people do like to use TIFF or PNG and assemble it in Premiere Pro or DaVinci, and you can then do some more fanciness to your animation. But I'm going to just simply go with an MPEG video. We're ready to render. Go up here to render, click on render animation, and then you'll get your render window and your project will then render. Again, I'm using Eevee for this quick render, but Cycles is a higher quality. And there we go. Of course, if you want to do you're turning in a project or you need something high quality, you can always select PNG, jump over to your render and do a single render image, which will render one frame. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll have more tutorials soon.